lovelies, it's Leah. Welcome to the weekly vlog. This week, we're doing some organizing, we're doing some outfit picking, we're doing some packing. If you're new to the channel or you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss an upload. So this week, this is the situation. It is Monday. In 4 days, I am leaving for England. I'm going to Manchester for the Love of Horror convention. I'm quite excited. I studied abroad in London. I was there for about 6 months. So I am familiar with England weather, which is nothing like Vegas weather. I haven't checked the weather yet, but I do anticipate that it's going to be much colder than it is here. But regardless, Vegas does still get into the hoodie and jacket weather conditions around this time of year. So I am overdue for reorganizing my closet, taking out all my long sleeve shirts, sweaters, hoodies, jackets. So I figured this was the perfect week to get that done and prepare myself for England, because a lot of the clothes that are living in my closet right now are not going to suffice for England weather. And then in addition to that, I am doing a job in about 2-ish weeks. So I'm going to be providing my own wardrobe. They're asking for like rocker, Cyndi Lauper type outfits. So I gotta go into my closet and pull some options for that, take some photos, and send it over to casting. So that is the rundown for today. First, we are going to make my rocker looks. Then we are going to reorganize my closet. And finally, we are going to pack for England. So let's get into it.
I feel I'm hurt, baby, don't you see it? Oh yeah. 귀찮다는 시큰둥한 네 말투 나에게 표정. 언제까지 여기.
This is the first outfit that I'm gonna show them. Like, I definitely think it's rocker-esque, and I feel like something about the silhouette reminds me a lot of Cyndi Lauper. I don't know, trying my best. Basically, I have that whole pile of clothes over there. My plan is to maybe put together 3 full outfits, photograph those for them, and then also photograph just other individual items that I think could work well so that they want to see different outfits. You know, I'll have more options for them. Or I could just bring all of it because I'm gonna drive and I've got tons of room in my car. All right, let's get to photographing.
That I'm tryna keep, yeah. All these memories bittersweet, yeah. Gotta move, can't stay here no more. 여기 계속 있다가 나만 손해가 돼. 'Cause we can't keep making these rain clouds stay overhead. Don't wanna keep this going. Can't fix what's already broken. 생각을 돌이켜봐도 혼자 되뇌어봐도 추억을 돌이켜봐도 그때 우리를 봐도 Raindrops falling, break it, 이 속에 섞여. Raindrops falling, break it, 다 쏟아, it's pouring.
I'm satisfied with those options for some like Cyndi Lauper rock star looks. Hopefully they like them, we'll see. They also wanted to see pictures of me in bright makeup. I was thinking of putting on makeup, but I think I'm just gonna probably send them a photo of something that I have because I do bright makeup looks all the time. I don't feel like putting makeup on. So I'm gonna go send those photos now, and then I will meet you probably in the closet or in the bedroom. We'll see. Hello, welcome to the closet. I do have all of my winter clothes underneath my bed, so that all needs to come in here, but I figure we would start actually in the closet so I could show you what needs to be organized, what I'm sort of thinking for the new vision. I feel like this is a good thing to do just like every so often because it's so easy to lose whatever organization system you have. So I'd say like every 3 months, I like to do a very deep clean of the closet. So because we're bringing in sweaters, I figured this was a good time to do it. There's actually a lot that I think is worth organizing in here. I have bins with like fabric in it and pieces of cosplays that I haven't finished. I think I have like all my furniture paint down here. So that's an organization for another time. This time we are just tackling the clothing section. So on this side here is where I mostly have dresses and pants. That's going to stay the same, but some pieces of clothing may come out and I may add some more like jackets maybe over here. Then behind me, the lower section is just shirts. I don't know what the organization system was, but it's not existing anymore. There's also jackets kind of tucked away in the corner. So yeah, again, still going to be shirts, but this time there's going to be more of a purpose to the organizing. And also things might come off if they're out of season and not something I think I would wear in the winter. Along this back shelf, I think right now we have t-shirts, but also some pajamas, ? Workout clothing, a dish towel on top for some reason, pants, but pants that shouldn't really be stacked together, and some shorts that I might put away. Shorts, pajamas, I think, and sweatshirts. There's also some sweatshirts above like where the dresses are, and there's also a big empty space up there. So I'm gonna see if there's anything worth keeping up there. And then on this top hanger rail, there are some skirts and some of my crop tops. Up there, I just don't want shirts that are like hanging too far down. It just like feels cluttered to me. So the only things I'm willing to put up there are like short pieces of clothing. Yeah, so those are the sections I'm tackling. Let me go through and first pull out everything that I want to put away for the winter, bring the sweaters in, and find a new organizing system in this closet. Time to wake up. I just went through and pulled out all of the summer clothes, but I realized probably the best way to do this is to take all of the clothing into the living room. So we have more space, we can make new piles, we can add in all the winter clothes, and then we can bring everything back in, have a fresh slate for organizing. So let me do that now. Always busy, always busy. No time for love, time for love. Gone through and separated out the dresses. Oh, hello. You could see two of me. Oops. So now we've got this enormous pile behind me. We've got some more stuff here. We've got a little on the couch that I just need to go through and organize. I also have here this bag, which is where I'm keeping all of the summer clothes that I'm putting away. I'm also making 3 piles of hangers. So we've got these hangers, which are less sturdy. So I don't want to put any of my sweaters on this. I don't think that these hangers will be able to handle that. So we may have to switch some of the lighter shirts around onto these hangers. Then I've got these thicker plastic ones. So these will be better for sweaters. And then last, these hangers for hanging like pants and stuff. And then as I'm doing this, I'm also going to just be putting stuff aside that I'm thinking of maybe packing and taking to England with me. Okay, so I think the best way to really approach this is just to start from the top. Go one clothing item at a time, make my piles, and organize. This is gonna take a while.
Yeah, I never met someone like you. Oh, to your mama, she a blessing. There's nothing that I would undo. Whenever hit CS, snooze on you. Always tryna show you something new to you. Only wanna treat you right, never leave your side. Always on my mind, I memorize, fantasize everything but you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Boy for you, sweet talk, girl. And your body got my eyes locked. Figure 8 curves and I've been drifting like skirt. Baby, I've been craving for your girl. heels, let me be real. For a second you a little crazy. You 100 at will, you got that booty I built. No competition, nil, got me sweating like Bacardi. She a baddie, 조금 미쳐가. Picture perfect on a frame, Mona Lisa. If you're down, we could chill, we could go overtime. Over the morning, no for me, 아침 밥을 차려 쓰니까. You steal, it's a crime. Damn girl, you're fine. When I'm with you, stars align. Yeah. Doesn't matter 어딜 가나. You can lean on me like tall pizza. Y'all give me a piece of mind like you were Saint Teresa. But damn, you can.
Okay, let me show you what we've got so far. So this pile back here are all clothes that I took out from winter that I want to put on hangers. These are all pants I want to put on hangers. I don't think I have enough for those, so we'll try our best. These are all shirts that need to be hung up and organized. Still trying to figure out that organization system, but it'll probably be color-coded and then by sleeve length. Here we have like workout clothes and clothes I wear at home or to bed. Yeah, more like pajama stuff here. These are just more shirts that I'm not hanging up, sweatshirts that I'm not hanging up, workout pants. These are all my like leather shorts and pants, which I happen to have a lot of. Those I don't hang up because it affects the fabric and it like leaves a mark. Skirts I'm hanging up. This here is a jacket and I have a long sleeve shirt under here. These are two things that I'm definitely packing with me to take to England. The rest I'm not sure about though. And then over here, pants and long skirts. And over here, those are all of my jackets. And then the dress is over here. So that's everything. I think I'm in a good place to start bringing everything back into the closet and figuring out the organization system.
Okay. Let me say this one time, yeah, one time. You make me feel alright, so nice. I know you wanna do more, say less. You can stay the night, you don't gotta go. We could take this slowly. No need to be lonely. Let me take you on this ride. No need to be shy, girl. Yeah, we in the end, it's an option. But wouldn't it be sad if we left this? We got chemistry, the way you look I see. It's in the end, that would be okay. But we in the end, it's an option. But wouldn't it be sad if we left this? We got chemistry, the way you look I see. It's in the end, that would be okay. It's in the end. It's in the end. Yeah, we taking off, I don't be fly. I got the sauce, you got the spice. Time ain't an issue with you, it's a virtue. Don't worry about anything, I'm right beside you this night. Comfort like memory, it's you and I. Nobody else, no, I ain't bad at kiss and tell. I wanna get to know every inch of you. Wanna see where you been, where you from. It's on your waist, yeah, now I got a taste. I don't wanna rush you, yeah. We in the end, it's an option. But wouldn't it be sad if we left this? We got chemistry, the way you look I see. It's in the end, that would be
Okay, it's looking good in here. I'm happy with my organization system, and I think I'm in a good place now to pull out some clothes to pack away for England. So let me explain now where everything is situated. Here on this side again, it is organized by dresses, jackets, and then pants. Now there are just a lot more jackets. I think before there were maybe only 2, but I brought out all the jackets, put them here. And with the dresses, I organized them by casual dress versus fancy dress, even though I really don't have many casual dresses. And then for the pants, I put the jeans first, and then I followed that by any other sort of pants that are not jeans. And for the most part, I'm trying to do like rainbow order, but as you will find, most of my clothes are black with the occasional olive color. We've got some red, but besides that, it's mostly black. Then behind me, folded on the shelves, we have sweatshirts. These are more like casual sweatshirts that I would wear around the house. Then we have any solid color shirts, followed by graphic shirts, and both of those are regular everyday wear shirts. Then I have some long sleeve shirts that are either workout shirts or shirts I would wear to bed or around the house. Next to that are my workout pants, some more workout shirts, then pajama pants, and some more pajamas tucked into the corner. And tucked away in the corner on this upper shelf are my pleather pants and shorts. Then up top we have my crop tops and my skirts. It feels so much neater in here. It's so nice to just have all of these piles refreshed, refolded, organized. It's good now to have all of my long sleeve stuff out now that it's getting colder. So all in all, very happy with how this closet organizing went. I'm excited to get in here more and really go through those cosplay bins, but that is for another day. Now I'm going to head back into the living room. I'm going to pull out my suitcase. I'm really trying not to check a bag for this trip. I would like to just bring my suitcase with me. So I'm not going to go too crazy with the outfits. Gonna keep it pretty simple for this convention because half of my suitcase is going to be my costume that I need to bring with me. That takes up a lot of space, doesn't leave much else. So we're gonna try our best to pack into this smaller suitcase. I'll see you in the living room, see if we can make it happen. You can still see 2 versions of me. Enjoy that. Okay, so this is the suitcase that we have. The con is only 2 days, so I only need 2 con outfits, and then I have like 1 day just in Manchester, so I'm bringing 3 outfits. So I've got these jeans, these pants, and these ripped black jeans. If you've been with me for a while on this channel, you've probably seen all of these clothes before. And then for shirts, I have this black sweater that's got some like sleeve cutouts that I think are super cute. Just this plain long sleeve black crop top and this gray turtleneck. What I like about these options is every shirt goes with every pair of pants. I'm also probably going to throw in like 1 t-shirt option just to be safe, but I looked at the weather and I think I'm going to be cold. Like I'm bringing a hat and gloves and all that stuff as well. I'm also going to bring this blazer as an extra layering option, but also on the plane, I'm going to have a black sweatshirt here and this heavier jacket here. So let me throw all of this into the suitcase and we'll see how much room we have left because I realized I also don't have any pajamas to wear, which is a mistake I make constantly. And I have a pair of leggings for gym purposes. All right, let's pack up. Forgot to put my belt in. Gonna add that super quickly. That's plenty of clothes for a 3-day trip to England. Fits perfectly into the one side, so the other side I will put my costume in. I'm gonna bring probably 1 pair of shoes, just my sneakers that I'll wear on the plane. But I think that this is a good stopping point for this video, which has been all clothing related. I feel very satisfied with my organization. I can't believe that I'm half packed 2 days before my trip and not the morning of. Look at me. Growth. So if you are enjoying this content, you're new to the channel or you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bells so you don't miss an upload. Comment down below, like the video, share it with your friends. I put out 2 videos a week and on this channel you can find cosplay, home decor, horror, and more. My name is Leah and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.
Let it go. 얼어붙어 like whoa. 어지러워 I see 한여름에도 난 겨울 Yeah, got it cold blood Yeah, 너와 있을 때 I swear 제가 먼저 zero 폭설한 그 주제 꿈에도